Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from Your Dinner, and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making something I'm calling little energy balls. They're filled with all the good stuff, and this is the only time it's allowed to eat balls. So let's start. As you can see, the ingredient list is super short. We need to prepare our dates before eating, so make sure you remove the pit of the date. This is also a good way to check for mold or any other nasty stuff. Submerge the dates in hot water for around 5 minutes and set them aside. Make sure to hydrate yourself too in this bloody heat. Now add walnuts into a small blender and cut them into smaller chunks. You can make them as small or chunky as you want here, but generally the smaller the better. After the 5 minutes, you can drain the water from the dates, but make sure you really squeeze out the extra water since that only dilutes the flavor. Add them straight to the blender, along with good quality cocoa powder and oatmeal. Blitz all the ingredients until everything has come together nicely. Put the date mix into a bowl and add the walnuts we cut earlier. Grate in the zest of a whole orange. The freshness of the orange is a great addition to the richness of the dates and the chocolate. Mix it together until a nice ball forms and roll little balls with your hands. If you have kids, you can call them since they will love to get their hands dirty and help you. Grab some extra cocoa powder and roll each individual ball in it. They will transform immediately. I found a cute bowl to put them in and somehow managed to get them all in. Zest a little bit of extra orange on top for that finishing touch. I love how easy these are to make and how good they look and taste. Give it a try. You can do it. And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and subscribe button if you want to see future videos of me. And of course, I see you in the next one.